Deserts are very dry places, but plants can still grow there. Desert plants collect and use water in special ways.
Chapter 2. Dark Matters. What is in the night sky? Have you ever looked at the sky and thought about darkness? Is it nothing, or is there something in the dark?
The first 9 months. Human babies grow from 2 tiny cells that are produced by their parents. The mother produces an egg cell, and the father produces a sperm cell. It has thin tubes called follicles where hair grows. Next to the follicles, there are tiny oil glands that produce oil. This oil keeps your skin soft and waterproof.
New type of transportation were invented. It's become easier for people to choose what they where they can work or live.
So before we start, I have a quiz for you. Look at the slide and guess what is it? It cannot be seen, cannot be felt. It cannot be heard,